lot of ducks today. Pretty strange. Usually there's quite a few here. Oh, seagulls and crows. Don't see much else. Lucky Duck HD out there spinning. Four black ducks, four mallards, three green-winged teal decoys. Blind is one of those Canadian Tire burlap deals. I don't know if that's really any good or not, but my little bench here doesn't seem too bad of a spot. Only were some birds to shoot. I think this time last year it was like a couple dozen black ducks here and a couple dozen teal ducks. 5 or 6 geese. That's all I saw there. A lot of hunters coming in though and killing them off, I think. It's only a small area. Lots little coves. Everybody is setting up a blind. Might be a bit too warm. It says a cold front coming in Saturday, but how cold, I don't know. Saltwater bay here, mud flats. Usually I see all the black ducks out on this little island when the water gets real low. Right off from my spinning wing decoy there. They usually rest up there in the day when the water is real low. You can almost walk out to them if not for water is up to your ankles. And they see you coming. So you can't really, it's real muddy out there. You sink down in about a half a foot of mud before you even step. Grass in front here. A few geese rest up on this little grassy knoll here in the nighttime, but you don't really get a chance to shoot at them. A few guys set up on the other side there. That's the best spot over there. Shoreline is just perfect. Black ducks usually skim that shoreline and fly right down, enter the brook down here. But yeah, pretty strange, nothing. All over the island, guys are shooting black ducks, getting their limit fairly easy. I don't know what's going on here. I just figure maybe it's just too warm. I got Stoker M3500 3.5 inch semi-automatic. Was a plain black model, but I put some camouflage hockey tape on this forestock and just on the butt. Got equipped with Pattern Master Code Black Goose. I'm not really sure about this choke. It might be too restricted for this area, but I'm not really sure because that's where my decoys are. I think it's somewhere around 40 yards. So I was hoping that the pattern master would, help me out here, or if the stock choke would be better. I'm not really sure. Jury's not out on this pattern master just yet. Killed a few ducks with it, but seemed to be a really tight pattern. I couldn't even see the splash from the BVs hitting the water. So usually that's how I know where it's hitting, what kind of pattern on the water, but couldn't see anything. Might be a little bit too tight for teal ducks and black ducks, but mostly I was going to use it for divers and geese if I'd seen any, but maybe some coyotes if, you know. Yeah, Pattern Master Cold Black and Stoger M3500. It's not a bad gun, but it's a little bulky. Probably because I've got really short fingers, like sausages. But we'll give it a more try, and I might just go back to the stock choke. I had more success with that before I even got the Pattern Master. So I wish there were some birds to shoot, because now I'm just going to be filming videos of me talking about bullshit.